Congratulations on your new purchase at Seelye Ford. Today we will be taking a virtual tour of our service department to show some of the services that we offer. Let's get started. If you have scheduled an appointment, you can park your car right here in our service drive. So now that we've parked, we are going to walk through the customer service doors on the left-hand side. This is where you are going to find your service advisors.
Welcome to Seelye Ford Service. I'm Jeremiah, one of the service advisors, and I'm happy to assist you.
Remember to ask about Ford Pass rewards when you are here. Your points can be used towards service, parts, and accessories.
Welcome to Seelye Ford Parts. I'm Paris, another service advisor. This is where you'll order and pick up parts. We're here to help and happy to answer any questions you may have.
While your vehicle is being serviced, we do have a rental program which offers customer pay and warranty rental vehicles. If you can't come to us, let us bring the convenience to you. Mobile services are available for qualifying recalls, minor repairs, and maintenance. Call your service advisor for more details. Here at Seelye Ford, we also offer complimentary shuttle services along with pickup and delivery upon request.
Thank you for choosing Seelye Ford Service. We look forward to serving you and providing an exceptional experience.
With parts and service.